Hey guys, welcome back to my channel 5-minute product review. This is my video review for top 3 gas stoves. So let's start it. The first one is Empava 30 gas stove cooktop with a 5 Italy SABAF sealed burner. NG into LPG convertible in stainless steel 30-inch silver. The 5 world-class made in Italy SABAF burner gas cooktop by Empava feature one of the latest flame failure thermocouples auto shut-off protection technology that prevent gas leak to keep your home and family safe. Enjoy minimal cleanup with a sealed burner to prevent food from falling. Stain and heat discoloration resistant stainless steel service will provide you with the reliable cooktop for years to come. The durable knob and laser cut full width edge to edge heavy cast iron grater can be cleaned in the dishwasher for hassle-free, effortless cleaning and maintenance to enhance the premium look. Empava recessed gas cooktop offers you the flexibility you need to make all your favorite dishes with the precious and failure to 4 different versatile burner size with the dual ring. Pre-installed 110V power cord, natural gas regulator and LPG nozzle included. LPG conversion kit included. Designed and engineered in USA with a 2-year USA-based manufacturer doubles the usual industry for an exceptional quality Empava stove top. The second is Empava 24-inch gas cooktop professional for Italy SABAF burners stove top certified with the thermocouple protection in stainless steel silver. Designed and engineered in USA with the 2-year USA-based manufacturer warranty doubles the usual industry warranty for an exceptional quality Empava stove top. LPG into NG convertible delivered the same maximum BT power to propane and natural gas cooktop. Work manually with electricity, capable for a multi-processes such as RVS, light cooking, family, small kitchen, mobile home and outdoor use, etc. Compatible with the install above an Empava 2430 in under counter single well oven. The world-class made in Italy SABAF burner gas cooktop by Empava feature one of the latest flame failure thermocouple auto shut-off protection technology that prevention gas leak to keep your home and family safe. Enjoy minimal cleanup with a sealed burner to prevent food from falling into them. Stain and heat discoloration resistant stainless steel service will provide you with the reliable cooktop for years to come. The durable knob and laser cut full with the edge-to-edge heavy cast iron grates can be cleaned in the dishwasher for a hassle-free, effortless cleaning and maintenance to enhance the premium look. The third is Empava IDC 12B2 horizontal electrical stove induction cooktop with a 2 burner in a black retro ceramic smooth surface glass 120V to 12-inch. The USA and Canada ETL certified electric stove induction cooktop designed and engineered in the USA by Empava appliances with a 2-year USA-based manufacturer warranty. The flawless Empava smooth temperature glass surface allow for effortless cleanup, manufactured without the release of hazardous metal into the ground and withstand intense heat without cracking or chipping. Approved for installation over any Empava brand 24-in undercount single with over. Most stainless steel and cast iron cookware are induction compatible. Never run the cooktop underwater. Hot surface indicator and edge will appear in surface cook area display let you know when elements are hot to the touch with just a glass. Pan size sensor heat the element to the size of your cookware and turn off when no pan is present for safety and more efficient. 9 temperature level setting, 8 power level setting for 300 watt to 800 watt on left burner, 6 power level setting from 300 watt to 1300 watt on right burner power sharing. Empava appliances the highest quality cooking experience. Our indicator cooktop, gas cooktop and wall oven are fully equipped for safety. The sleek black finish and built-in design offer an attractive look for any counter. Red LED display with the black glass surface help achieve a modern look that complement the entire kitchen. That's all for now. I hope you like the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. To check this product on Amazon, click the link in the video description.